Hello and welcome to Unit 4. Now in Unit 4 you're going to start to learn how to automate Firefox or Chrome with Excel, and you're going to start to work kind of behind the scenes a little bit more. You'll be able to query databases or query web pages using Visual Basic for applications, and you're going to be able to use Excel to kind of go to websites, get information from those websites and things along those lines. Now, a lot of the future of what we have for careers where this is concerned has a lot to do with the internet, of course, and getting information from the internet. So, kind of make sure you know what's going on this week and kind of focus in on now. Last week, we learned some basic application items, some control flow items, looping structures, different boxes, and different things along those lines. This particular week, we're trying to move that more into okay, how's this applicable to things? How do I get information, use it to get information, things along like that. So far, things are pretty good. Make sure that you have your initial post posted by Thursday, and then you have your second response, excuse me, by Wednesday, and then you have your second response shortly after that. Make sure that you are including videos that show me what you are doing so I can actually see you kind of walk through it. And those videos are most effective if you're, here's my assignment sheet, this is what I have to do. Make sure that you're working actively with your groups that I gave an announcement for, I think, last week. Trying to figure out what you're going to do for the final. The details of the final project is given in week 6, and I want to make sure that you're kind of ahead of the ball game where that's concerned because you have to coordinate with another individual. If you wait till the day before you're supposed to do it, something can and will go wrong. That's always the case. So just let me know what's going on. Otherwise, it's been good so far. I've enjoyed the discussion. I've enjoyed the interactivity between individuals, and continue with that. Welcome to Unit 4. And happy late Thanksgiving, I guess. Or holiday of your choice, whatever that was. Thank you.